boy Hayes. We live. We live. Some crazy stuff going on. Wild stuff going on. The government, the feds, what they're trying to do with the world, stocks. I told you guys a bullish market was about to take place for a short period of time. Just going to be for a quick, maybe a few weeks, maybe a month. But things about to get ugly. Lots and lots of more banks about to collapse and go under. America is actually going under as we speak. Our leadership is getting weak. We reached our debt ceiling, and that's why the market is in a crazy turbulence right now. So what I want to talk about in this live real quick is the debt ceiling for the U.S. economy, also the overall stock market, my opinion, what I believe is going to happen, which I just kind of just stated. I believe a bullish, uproar is going to take place. Then right behind it, catastrophic, crazy sell-off, right? They got to give themselves leverage and room in order to make the drop more than what it actually is. Meaning it's going to actually be what it is, scary times. But in order to do that, they have to let the stocks run first, have that leverage, and then bring it down even harder past that previous level to make it look that bad. So as we know, guys, things is looking bad. So you may say, what is a debt ceiling? A debt ceiling is basically the amount of debt, the maximum amount of debt that any economy, the U.S., China, all of them have a debt ceiling. The max amount of debt that they can borrow. Just as everybody else, the government has somebody over them as well, foreshadowing them, meaning they can get audited. If you didn't know this, our U.S. government has been audited over 5 times in a row, back to back to back to back to back, audited. Our own government. Pay attention now. And what's happening is the U.S. government already reached its debt ceiling. On January the 19th, 2023, which is at the beginning of this year, the United States hit its debt ceiling, leading to a debt ceiling crisis, which could cause everything to just go shit. Part of the ongoing political debate within Congress about the federal government spending the national debt that the U.S. government accrues. So let's go ahead and take a further look, guys. So as we know, the market was shabby yesterday, ugly market, sold off, and today is trying to get back. Basically, scare a lot of people out, get a lot of weak people out because they know what they're about to do. Meaning they're about to send the market higher. They're about to send it flying. So stocks rose Wednesdays as investors hope congressional leaders and President Joe Biden could come to a deal on the U.S. debt ceiling and avoid catastrophic debt default. So the Dow Jones traded higher. The S&P 500 gained about 0.4%. NASDAQ is advanced 0.4%. So I think that the news is becoming more and more optimistic regarding the debt ceiling, said Sam Stovall, chief investment strategist at CFRA Research. However, he expects that markets are stuck in neutral, citing recent trends in the 10-year Treasury yield, as well as strength indicators in the S&P 500. So let's go ahead and so we know what's going on with that pretty much in a nutshell. The U.S. is in trouble, guys. They're definitely in trouble. Like I told you guys, the Pentagon has been audited over 5 times. Audited. And, I already know, shouts out to the members. Like I say, guys, patience is key. I know y'all ready to talk about these plays now, what's going on. Rumble. With Alibaba, we called out Alibaba an exclusive. The 1990, some people say they didn't get it, but not like I told you guys from the beginning, the 1999 tier and above gets access to all alerts. Anything below that, you get alerts here and there. You get a play here and there. But anything above that, you get access to all alerts. Exclusive. They even get bonus plays. Sometimes, like the other day, whenever I called out something, you guys like didn't see that. That was just a bonus for exclusive. For them, investing that much into themselves, you just got to offer them more or whatnot, guys. So Rumble up 20%. Just got the alert. Up 20% on the calls. So you already know, getting ready to sell that in a little bit. I am looking for it to go towards it should easily go towards the $11, $12 range. But with all this manipulation they got going on, you see how stagnant it's been. You really got to have crazy patience with a lot of plays. You know, some of the plays we call out gonna happen in seconds, some minutes, some the next hour, some by the end of the day. Some going to take a rollover. You're going to have to roll it over to that next day. And the only way we sit and wait for something to happen is if it's not moving, it's stagnant. Meaning Rumble already had dropped in the after hours at 9:40. We couldn't sell anyway. By the time it opened, it was at 9:50, 9:60. Now it's stagnant, near the same price that we bought at, which was 10 and 9:50 calls. So with that being said, it was a good idea to just hold. There ain't no need to get out. Just continue to wait. Wait for it to fulfill itself. Now as it's starting to unfold and unfeel itself and unravel, it's taking, that's where real patience come into play. You guys hit the like button. 100 people in here. 100 people, 10 likes. That don't make sense. Make it make sense. But anyways, as we know, I lose my train of thought. But yeah, it's looking good on patience. Like we know, guys, you know, some people that couldn't, you know, they just don't understand how sometimes you got to be patient and wait. They don't understand that yet. Now, the ones that actually waited, they probably see, but the ones that sold off too early, probably like, dang, I should have waited. And especially when you don't have no reason to sell. Like, that's my thing. You know, if something is steady declining, something is steady pulling back, a falling knife, sell, get out of it. But once it becomes stagnant, staying near that same area, slowly inclining, you definitely want to, you know, hold on. Yo, top of the morning, brother. What up with it, fam? Up 500 this week on the market, bro. Early to the live. That's good. That's good, fam. Congrats. Bro, speaking facts. You on point. Much love, fam. This was amazing. I got confirmation of something good going to happen, and boom, I got a notification that room went up 20%. Stay calm, we will be protected. That's right, fam. Up watching this paper till I lay down. Sup, fam? What up with it, B? What's up with it, Jess? How are you? Rumble, young man. Rumble. Let's get it. Respect. Rumble. Yo, we eating eggs and rice, bro. We hungry. Let's get it. Target price. Patience is virtue, fam. That's right. You right. I'm up 31% because Rumble, because I waited. Still down on Rumble. Anaya. Yep. Decay. Due to decay, we had gotten them contracts about 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Due to time decay, you can't lose in options, meaning, you know, we could have bought at 10, and whenever we bought at 10 and the price is at 9.90 the other day and you bought, you probably was like, you know, up or not even up, like damn near break even. But now that the price dropped to 9.40 and it come back to 9.80, 9.90, you'll be wondering like, why am I not up? Or why I'm not down the same amount that I was the other day. Now I'm down way much more because of time decay. The closer to the expiration date of that contract expiring, the more your contract will be losing. That theta, gamma, all that, it tells you exactly about how much your contract could lose on a daily basis by holding it. So that's exactly what's taking place there, guys. Don't worry about it, especially when you in a solid play. If you in a play like my boy called out one day over here, Palantir, that only can move, that only got the growth of moving 30, 40 cents, that don't make sense to me. Because if only had potential to move up 30, 40%, 30, 40 cents, not 30, 40%, 30, 40 cents. If it goes up only 30, 40 cents, it's not going to be enough movement for my option contract to make sense and get me up out of this decay. But with Rumble being, it haven't made a move yet. It barely made a move significantly down. It was either going to 7 or 12. It didn't go to 7, so it looked like it should be going to 12. So by it going to 12, and even if you got DK at 10, by the time it get to 10.50, 10.60, you're going to be up. You should be up in the money. And then by the time it get 11, 12, actually where it's going, you profitable. You actually making profits now. So hope that helps you out, baby girl. Read you. What's up, B? I made 30% on Carvana. Could have made 50%, but money's money. That's right, fam. Still down, but looking way better than before. That's right. Yup. Thinking about getting out of here, though. Yep. Whenever you want to get out of something, fam, don't hesitate. But I definitely alert whenever I buy and sell. You know exactly what you're talking about, brother. Got ruined on that Tilray, but I'm sure I'll make it back. You shouldn't have got ruined, bro, on it. Tilray was a amazing play to me. I mean, like, especially whenever I have small strategic losses. When I lose, I supposed to lose. I get out when I supposed to get out. I stick to my principles. I stick to my rules. It was an awesome play to me. Now, whenever I break my rules and I lose more than what I could bear, more than what I should have lost, that was a bad play. Tilray was a good play. I hope you saying you lost. I don't know how you lost a lot or whatnot. You must have didn't take heed of when I had said get out. You probably thought, yeah, it's gonna shoot right back up. But no, brother, I see what I see. I'm not gonna be right all the time, obviously, but majority of the time, I'm gonna see what I see. And I knew getting out at Tilray at $2.60. I knew, that was the perfect spot because if you didn't get out, it was going to 230, 240. And that was you're gonna lose all your money. I only lost 27%. If I would have stayed, I would have lost 100%. Foundation is our bros guidance. That's what's up. We noticing this. Appreciation toast. Let's get it, fam. What you think of parent or prim? I could tell you right now, fam. I don't think it's a good stock. I ain't even look at it, and I don't think it's a good stock. Never heard of it. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. I didn't sell when you said to sell, and instead of a 40% loss, it went to negative 92%. And you know exactly what you're talking about. That's love, that love, fam. I'm glad you're able to see from that mistake and utilize that as a lesson and move forward from it. Ha ha ha. I learned that about the whole. Ha ha ha. I learned that about the whole. Nah, it can go back. Ha ha ha. I learned. But it's Gucci because now I know. That's right, fam. Sell when bro says fire him off. Much love, my guy. We need Rumble to go crazy. People must just now be checking out the news now today or something. Like, we got the perfect storm for it to do its thing. I don't know what it's waiting on. No, ain't the 992 I see. Go ahead and break past 10. What you waiting on? Probably waiting on some people to sell. Obviously. A little bit more patience. A little bit more patience. Is Nay World handsome? Hey, thank you, baby girl. Hey, drop a picture of you. Let the fellas see. Let the fellas see. Let my guys see something. I wish we could drop pictures and stuff in the comments. I don't think we could do none of that. 996 was the high today. 996 was the high today. Yep, just need to break 10. Break 10 in this game. It's game on. How long it take you to grow your hair, fam? I've been growing my dreads. I've been doing dreads for like what, 5.5 years. I had a little fro. I had a little I had just regular hair in high school. High school. I posted I posted you in my Facebook, YouTube group chat. Hey, I appreciate that, baby girl. That's love. That's love. Still left my ass off. I can't. But send me a pitch on the gram then. Send me a pitch on the ground. Let me see what you look like. Let Hayes see what you look like. What about Carvana, bro? Let me check out Carvana. I think Carvana should do good. It have a gap that it could shoot down and try to close around the $9 range very quickly. If it don't go ahead and start ascending now, which I expect and think it should do, it should go ahead and start running from here. It's gonna run unexpectedly. So you already know, free game. But Right, but I would be very cautious about how much I put in, being for the fact that I always have in the back of my mind, whenever a certain key indication is broken, I know, hey, let me not put so much on this because I feel as if anything could happen, and if it does in the market swift directions, it could easily come down to close that gap to around $9.50, 60 cents, and it's sitting at 11. So that's huge. That's significant. That's why this morning when it came down to 1040ish, I already knew what could possibly be headed. It's at 950, 960 closed. Gaps don't always have to be closed though. It could confuse you. The markets, something to go by. Some of your intricacies. It doesn't necessarily have to, fall in line with what you actually see. Just like I told you guys, Bitcoin could fall down to $10,000 away from 50K, and it came down to 15,000, and it still have that gap between 15 and 10 to close, even though it's at 27 right now. Like I say, you don't have to close it, but I know in the back of my mind, if things get hectic, Bitcoin just fall out of nowhere, thousands of dollars, I know where it could possibly be going. So that's just what I mean by that. Just, stay woke, stay paying attention to details, know exactly where that stock is. Like, I know, you gotta know, gotta know where that stock is at. What's your IG? The B Hayes Show _ The B Hayes Show _ baby girl. It's running hard. I made money on puts this morning because it shot down fast. Yup, that's right. What's running hard now? It's probably about to take off now. I'm already locked and loaded. You teach me something new every time you go live. That's what I'm here for, baby girl. I like to hear that. That's good. I'm gonna keep teaching you something new. I can teach you more than that. Tell the fellas, Hayes can teach you more than that. I had to learn to always have a stop loss. Hey, don't take me serious out here. I like to play. I mean, I be serious, but I be playing as well. So you get what I'm saying. I be serious, but I be playing too. It's a thin line between the two. I had to learn to always have a stop loss. Don't rely on the stock to drain you. That's right, fam. Or a mental stop. Like, know exactly where you're getting out at and do your alert. Gotta join the premium now. Let's get it, fam. Yo. What you laughing at, Nye? You pretty too. Your profile picture look pretty. Ha ha ha, bros, knowledge or universe downloads. Ha ha, I believe that. The dreads are the antennas picking up the info. You know something, fam. Love people laughing. What y'all laughing at? What y'all laughing at? Can you take a look at XELA and Wriggle? I ain't even got to take a look at those stocks, man. I can tell you right now without looking at them, those are not, stocks you want to be playing with, investing in. It's so much more better quality companies that you could be looking at and putting your hard-earned money on than something I never even heard of. I mean, that's just my opinion. I could be wrong, though. Those could be the next big thing. But it's just, after doing this stuff, man, you can just look. Let me look at it. I'm going to look at one of them just to see if I could see what you see. I'm going to look at one of them for you, fam. But I honestly don't believe it's going to be hitting on the hill of beans. XELA. Let's see. Okay, it's up 23% today. What you want me to do with this, fam? Nobody shouldn't be buying it. It's up 40% at its peak. Ain't no need to buy it. It's already ran. If I look back at it, let's see the potential. Okay. So I don't like it. I can just tell you I don't like it. I see it got potential. I see in the past it been to, high levels. But I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I can easily look at a stock, I just don't like it. And the reason why I don't like it, because I don't want to just leave you with that. I want to be more particular, I guess that's the word, about why I don't like it. The reason I don't like it and I don't find it attractive because I'm a simple guy. If it's not eye-catching to the eyes, as soon as I see it, I can already examine it and know the most predictable outcome, then that's a banger. But if I gotta look at something and do too much to figure out what the next outcome could be. I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time for that. You get what I'm saying? I'm gonna go to the easy stuff, and not really necessarily easy, but like I say, more predictable. Why would I hurt my brain? I ain't never gonna try to hurt my brain for nothing. No, yeah. I told you I had the stock market stuff tied to real life too. Never try to hurt your brain. Trying to figure a person out or try to get somebody to, rock with you or whatever the case may be. Like, stop looking at a certain stock. If it hurts your brain, just move to something simple. I had to learn to always have a stop loss on reply. Bro, AMC looking interesting at the moment. Yeah, I was watching AMC this morning, but you know, it's other plays with less manipulation that's going to actually go in the favor of what I expected to go into on today. Like Alibaba, I ain't got to wait and sit around. I knew it was going to do what I expected to do. Carvana, I was expecting it to run up a bit today. It's looking like it's taking off a bit. Rumble, I'm expecting it. We in that play, we expecting it. So, it's in falling in favor. But AMC, on the other hand, it could definitely do what it want to do, but it's so manipulated. That stock is, the most paid off stock in the whole entire industry. Like, people pay lots and lots of money to hold that bad boy back. AMC been dropping steady, made 50% on puts last week. Glad I learned the market when I was in the pen. Definitely changed my outlook on now. I've been locked up ever since. That's love, fam. Glad you learning. It's been testing all week, 9.99.98. If it breaks 10, it could go crazy, I believe. I believe so too. Thank you. That's what I need to know. Just did a 1-2 reverse split. Let this be known, guys. People will literally start to age backwards during the Aquarius area. Notice our bro. The key is to stick with good vibes and let our vessels restore itself just with good vibe. That's real, bro. I understand. Thank you. I myself have begun the transformation after me and him had a powerful convo. Appreciation toast. Laughed my ass off. I think overdid it. I sent 23 attachments. Hey, ain't nothing wrong with that. Hey, do your thing. I'm gonna look at all of them. Goddamn. Oh, somebody said, goddamn. Hey, that's funny. You hell, bro. But yeah, though. Yeah, though. Yeah, I've been up here 22 minutes. I'm about to get my morning. I skipped my whole morning routine just to come up here and support y'all real quick to make sure y'all know what's going on, get y'all updated on the market, let you guys know how I'm feeling in the plays that we're currently in. I think I did my job here, and I missed out on my, I'm gonna give you guys some game as well. I like to give you guys some life advice, life game as well. When you first get up in the morning, sometimes, being for the fact of what I do, it's okay for me to jump straight to this and then go back to my thing. But usually, and I got up a little late this morning, but usually if I get up early, like, you just want to spend that first hour of the day with yourself. Don't pick up your phone when you first wake up. Drink your water. Eat your fruits. Spend time with yourself. I hate to use the word meditate, but that's, just, spend time with yourself. Don't look at nothing. Be in your own thoughts. Be creative. Do what you do. Pray. Write down your goals for the day. Because most people, they thinking in a year span, the month span, 10 years span. I think of the day, the present moment. How can I make my day most productive as possible? Meaning I just want to win for that day. So I'm going to write down, if I want to reach 1,000 people or 10,000 people for that day, that's going to be a goal. If I want to, make 10 pieces of content, that's going to be a goal for the day. If I need, it's going to be, you're going to have your whole day. I can't tell you guys all my goals for the days and shit, but you get it. Just have your shit written out, have a plan, and you're going to win. You're going to win. With anything you do in life, you're going to win. So you already know, man. I love y'all. Hope y'all take heed. We gone.